Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see cubic root of minus 1 plus I root 3. Cubic root of minus 1 plus I root 3. Before finding cubic root, we have to make it minus 1 plus I root 3 in the polar form. Minus 1 plus I root 3, now in what form? It is Cartesian form. We have to change it to polar form. Okay. A plus IB or cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. This is a Cartesian form, it is a polar form. How to find R? Square root of A squared plus B squared. How to find theta? Tan inverse B by A. Okay. Now do it. Minus 1 plus I root 3. What is R? R is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. Square root of minus 1 squared plus B squared. R is equal to 1 plus 3. R is equal to square root of 4. R is equal to 2. Got it? Then theta is equal to tan inverse B by A. What is B? Root 3. What is A? Minus 1. Root 3 over minus 1. So tan inverse minus root 3. Theta is equal to tan inverse minus root 3. Okay. If they are asking anything square root or cubic root, first make it the complex number, Cartesian complex number becoming transformed to polar form. Okay. Or cos theta plus I sin theta, R is equal to square root of A square plus B square, theta is equal to tan inverse B by A. Do it. Okay. Now tan inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse root 3 is what? 60 degree. Okay. Minus means it is either second quadrant or fourth quadrant. So it may be 120 degree or 300 degree. Okay. But check it, minus 1 I root 3. This is second quadrant. So tan inverse minus root 3 is 120 degree. 120 degree we can represent as in 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60, 2 into 2 pi by 3 is 6, 120. Now minus 1 plus I root 3, I am doing is equal to, copy down until now. Minus 1 plus I root 3 I am transforming to 2 cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Okay, copy down until now. So you have to find cubic roots of minus 1 plus I root 3. What is the formula? Okay, now Z is equal to R cos theta plus I sin theta. Then Zk or R power 1 over n cos theta by n plus 2k pi over n plus I sin theta by n plus 2k pi over n. Got it? Zk is equal to R power 1 over n. Now we are going to find the roots. Now n, where k is 0, 1, 2, 3, dot 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 n minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find 3 roots for this one. Minus 1. Now n is 3. What is the k value? 0, 1, 2. Because k is 0 to n minus 1. Okay. Now Z0 is 2 power 1 over 3. Actually, what is the formula? R power 1 over n. Then cos There what is that r is equal to z is equal to 2 times cos 2 by 3 plus I sin 2 by 3. What is the formula? Zk equal to r power 1 over n cos theta by n plus what is the cos, after cos what will be the theta by n plus 2k pi over n will be there. Okay, here theta is what? 2 by 3. N is 3 plus k is what? 0 because z 0. So this will be completely 0. So cos 2 pi over 9 plus I sin 2 pi over 9. Got it? Actually formula is z equal to zk equal to r power 1 over n cos theta by n plus 2k by over n plus I sin theta by n plus 2k by over n. Okay. Now we finish z0, we finished. Then z1. What is the formula? zk equal to, now k is 1, r power 1 over n, r is 2, n is 3, 1 over n is 1 over 3, 2 power 1 over 3, cos theta by n plus 2k pi over n. Here theta is 2 pi over 3, n is 3, k is 1, z1, k is 1, 2 pi, k is 1 means 2 pi over 3. Okay, this will be 2 pi over 9 plus 6 pi over 9. I took the LCM, multiplied 3, 6 pi over 9. So it is 8 pi over 9. So cos 8 pi over 9 plus I sin 8 pi over 9. Okay. Now Z2. Zk is, what is the formula? Zk is r power 1 over n. Here don't get confused, 1 over k, no. R power 1 over n cos theta by n plus 2k by over n plus I sin 2 theta by n plus 2k by over n. Z2, 2 power 1 over 3. This r everywhere the same value will be there. Cos okay, here what will be there? 2 pi over 3, 2 pi over 9. Here k is 2. 2k, k is 2 means what will happen? 4 pi. 4 pi over 3. Now multiply with 3. This will be 12 pi times k is 4 pi times 3 is 12 pi over 9. So what will come here? 14 pi over 9 will come. Okay. Cos 14 pi over 9 plus I sin 14 pi over 9. These all are the three roots. Zk, z0 equal to 2 power 1 over 3 cos 2 pi over 9 plus I sin 2 pi over 9. Z1 is 2 power 1 over 3 cos 8 pi over 9 plus I sin 8 pi over 9. Z2 is 2 power 1 over 3 cos 14 pi over 9 plus I sin 14 pi over 9. Okay, we already did it. First what we have to do? First minus 1 plus I root 3 power 1 over 3 means first make it minus 1 plus I root 3 polar form. Then use that formula Zk equal to r power 1 over n plus cos theta by n plus 2k by over n plus I sin 2 theta by n plus 2k by over. Thank you for watching.